Today we're gonna open poopsies, and it's gonna be actually kind of fun. And there's gonna be lots of cute ones and lots of surprises. And you could this cute kitty. Even this cute screw. And we're gonna start right now. Eva, come on. Just break there. Oh my god. Ah! Here it is. It's kind of broken almost. I'll show you when we're done this one.
I got this back here. See, I got it. Oh my god, I'm going up it. How come?
Have to pull that sticker in.
Mom, can you open it? Mom, open it.
There we go.
You want me to open it for you?
I am spinning and spinning. There we go. And I think I have to get this off. I don't know.
Oh, here you go. Here's a zipper thing. There we go.
I've never used this before, so I don't know how to use it.
Wait.
Here's
Let me just...
instructions of how many. Oreo, can you please get that? Okay. He didn't get it. So anyway,
Awesome.
what is this? Is how to use it. Oh my god, I can't get it out. It's just stuck in it. Ooh, yeah. There we go. I'll see who there is before we even do the stuff.
Do you want a hand, Eva?
I'll see which ones there are to see what ones we could get. Oh, what?
Sorry, Eva.
What the? That's so funny. Ooh, the Coca-Cola one. Look at all of them.
Oh, those look cool. Oh, they have different flavours and smells.
And they look funny.
Whoa.
And you
I can't wait to see what you've
there's
got.
even the cactus cat.
Whoa.
That's my favourite one. I really want to get that one actually.
That's so cool.
Well,
I can't wait to see what you've got.
Yeah, I remember the cactus cat and the squirrel. I don't really know why, but they look too cute. That's why.
Really?
So let's get started opening them. How does that sound? The opening. You're just ripping it now. Ripping it. That's what good. Oh my god, my fingers. Good job, I'm say that, but fine. Because we're already opening
Mom,
doors.
can I open this? Mom, open this.
You want me to open it?
Yeah, open it.
I should have bought some scissors from the kitchen.
Okay. I don't really know how to open it, so I just need to get my knife.
Here we go. What's this, Eva? What's inside?
Okay, there we go. It's this!
Oh, cool.
Well, let's not open it.
Measuring cup.
Oh, sorry, guys. What the?
What's that? Whoa. You
that
forgot the
isn't the
Coca-Cola
Coca-Cola.
one. Oh, what is it? Is it like beer or something?
Open
Oh, poop beer. It's poop beer. That's
Mom, open
Wow.
this one. Open this one. Open it.
some soft.
Mom, open this one.
Wait, Mama. First I got.
Oh, I know. You have to like. Oh, you got a cute one. Eva, what's Eva got? What's Eva got?
What kind of things does Eva have? Oh, this is all about me.
one's a slime
Wait,
kit,
that's
isn't
the
it?
one I saw on the picture. Look.
That's cool. Oh, the front of it. Oh, and you've got the one next to it, haven't you?
No, that's the little squirrel.
Oh, I see. They
that
look
was-
quite similar. Oh, that's cool, Eva. That's pretty.
This is the little reindeer.
Is it? Whoa.
You see the next things. How does that sound, Eva?
It's a great idea.
My slime.
You have to make the slime in the bottle. You have to put the water inside in the measuring cup and then put it in here. No, the slime goes in there when you've made
I
it.
got coffee.
Whoa,
Poopsie
that's really
coffee.
cool. Look, Evie, your slime goes in there.
Poop coffee.
That's pretty funny.
It's poop coffee. Oh my god, that's so funny.
Is that funny?
I'll put it right next to my character I got.
Whoa. Is that all the, they're all empty, are they? Okay, let's just put them in here. Oh, no, wait. There's more things in here. Look. But you need to peel the sides away.
I'll get them.
Oh, here you go. You have to unroll it, Eva, like this.
I'll do that after.
You have to
I guess on my
unroll
yard
this bit here.
surprise.
Okay,
At the
roll
top.
it
Okay.
Mom, this is my yard surprise that I got at my top.
Yeah.
Oh, you get Oreo.
Oh, he's sleeping in the sun. He looks so cozy, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Aw, cute little cat.
Mom, what do I do next?
You have to unroll this
I'll open it.
like a letter. Oh, there we go. Look, you have to unroll it and get all the surprises out.
Disgusting. What was I even thinking of?
Mom, I have this. How can I get it out?
Whoa, what bits is in there? Are in there?
What's this?
What is that one? What is that? Oh, that must go in the little pot. And then you have to shake it, don't you?
What?
Whoa.
How do
Oh,
I
my
open it?
container.
Oh, and you found your container.
At the bottom.
Oh, you found another thing, Eva. Oh, what's that? That one's a unicorn magic.
Yeah.
Or plastic bag of glitter. Same thing, apparently. Oh, I think that's all. No, there's one left. There's one more left.
Yeah, I have this thing.
Oh, what's that thingy? Oh, we'll see.
There's one left.
There's one surprise. Oh, and you got some sort of spoon, maybe? I think that's all of your surprises, isn't it?
Actually,
Yeah,
you
looks
get a
like it.
spoon in this.
And
Open it.
okay, right. Let's put those away a sec.
Mom, open this.
Open
Mom,
this.
can you
What's inside
open
here?
this top for me?
Oh no. Okay, Maya. So you have to peel away this one here. That's how you open it. You've got a
I can't.
spoon. Oh, fabulous. You've got a spoon. Oh yeah, we've got lots of those spoons, haven't we, from the other
Mom, I
one?
can't.
Oh, damn.
Now open this.
It's only because you didn't open the side properly. Let me just.
Mom, open it.
You want me to open? No, you can't open that one. Not until we're making the slime. Okay, that's your slime. I wasn't this one for you. Maya, if you whinge, okay, we can't do any of this. Okay. You can see I'm busy with Eva, can't you?
What do I have?
How do you even open this?
I don't know. I think the cat's done a poopy.
When we were gone. Open you stupid thing.
It's this.
What's that? Oh, that's cool, isn't it?
Yes, the bottle thingy.
That is cool.
Wow, it has a
It's
unicorn.
got some solution inside.
Open
Right.
it.
Oh, we can't open that until we make the slime. Here you go, Maya. Now it's open. You've got to peel the black little sticker away,
I know.
and then it will start unrolling.
Oh,
Yeah. We've got to put all that in there and mix it up. But I've got to read the instructions first, okay? So I'm going to do that, and then we can start making the slime, okay? Awesome. Let's look at Maya's. Let's open Maya's. We're going to do it at the same time. So that's why we're going to wait for Maya.
Oh my god.
Oh, you just took the whole thing off in one go, didn't you? That's pretty cool.
I'll get this bit.
Mm.
And then I'll get this bit.
What did I get?
I'll pull all the
I
stuff
don't know.
here. There we go. Here. There we go.
Right, let's keep all your things together. So you got this. There's the lid. There's the cup. There's the beer. There's that. There's that. There's that. And where's your spoon, Eva? Where's your spoon thing? Oh, there it is. Right, these are all the things you got inside yours. And we're going to start making some slime in a minute. Where is Maya's? Let's see where Maya's is.
When we go.
There's Maya. Oh, Maya, open that one, darling.
Mom, I have this.
Maya's got this so far. One of these.
Mom, what is this?
This.
Mom, what is this?
And then you've still got to open
Mom,
that
what
and
is
that,
this?
haven't you? Hey, what is it?
What is this?
That's the container for your slime when you've made your slime, darling.
Okay, just open it.
Yeah, we will in a sec. We've just got to read the instructions and then we've got to make it and put it in, okay?
Oh my god, this is so hard. I don't even know how to open these things.
Mom, just instructions.
Okay, you've got to learn how to be patient and I'll do it in a minute. I'm just tidying up a bit, okay?
Okay.
Right, tidy work surface. Look at all that. I'm going to make all the stuff in a minute. Just got to wait for Maya to open hers. Let's watch Maya. What's in yours, Maya?
I think it's a spoon. That's
You
what
think?
I think.
That's a good idea.
Oh my god, I think I have
Shall I open it for you?
No, I don't really need that.
Mom, open this. Mom.
How exciting. Yeah, it does go in there. And the slime is going to go in there, isn't it? You make it.
Almost. It's open.
Oh, you did it, Maya.
It's a spoon. I knew
Oh, you need a spoon to mix it, don't you?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Open it now.
Hmm? Yeah, we have to wait for Maya. She's opened her spoon. She's got one more to open, haven't you, Maya? She's got one more thing to open.
Oh.
What's that?
It's only kind of half of this. Oh my god, why is there more paper in this? I think
Oh, that's Maya's, isn't it, baby?
What?
That's Maya's stuff. I know you're bored. I've got to just quickly read the instructions. No, it's... Oh, okay. Thank you, darling. Thank you. Right, I'm going to read the instructions. Right, first you have to... open your bottle.
Open my bottle.
So your bottle opens at the bottom and Maya's one opens at the top, the lid part, okay?
Oh.
Awesome. Okay, cool. Oh, you've opened it.
Yeah, I just had to twist it.
And mine. Yes, I opened it.
Right, we're going to make a different video for the slime making, okay? Because I've got to go get the water and get it ready, okay? Say, see you later.
See you later. See you later.